How fasting boosts your health, science-backed benefits. Fasting has been practiced for centuries, but modern science now proves its powerful health benefits. It can help with weight loss, brain function, cell repair, and disease prevention. Let's explore how fasting transforms your body. 1. What is fasting? Fasting means avoiding food and, sometimes, drinks for a set period. The most common types include intermittent fasting, if eating within a time-restricted window, such as 16-8, fast for 16 hours, eat within 8 hours. Water fasting, drinking only water for a set period. Religious fasting, such as Ramadan fasting, which has been linked to various health benefits. If you are new at the channel, and want more such contents and secrets about healthy lifestyles and fitness, do like and subscribe and click the bell icon to make on the notifications to be updated. Let's come to the benefits of fasting. 2. How fasting helps your body. 1. Weight loss and fat burning. Fasting forces your body to burn stored fat for energy, a process called ketosis. Research by Dr. Mark Mattson, USA, Johns Hopkins University, shows that intermittent fasting boosts metabolism and helps with weight loss. 2. Brain health and memory improvement. Fasting increases a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which improves brain function. Dr. Mattson's study also found that fasting protects against brain diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. 3. Detox and cell repair, autophagy. In 2016, Drive. Yoshinori Osumi, Japan, Tokyo Institute of Technology, won the Nobel Prize in Medicine for his discovery of autophagy, a process where the body removes damaged cells and regenerates new ones. This helps slow aging and may reduce the risk of cancer. 4. Lowers blood sugar and reduces diabetes risk. A study from the University of Toronto, Canada, found that fasting lowers insulin resistance, helping people with diabetes manage blood sugar levels more effectively. 5. Boosts immunity and reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to diseases like arthritis and heart disease. Studies show that fasting helps reduce inflammatory markers, leading to better overall health. Fasting isn't just a trend, it's a science-backed practice with life-changing benefits. Whether for weight loss, brain health, or longevity, fasting can be a powerful tool for a healthier life.